Smile.
Hey everyone, this is Steve. We're going to do a quick unboxing of a new toy that we got the other day. This is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and we got it from Malaveja at the authorized DJI shop there, and it was 181,400 pesos. Not quite, a little over $3,000. So let's see what we get for our money. All right. Comes the nice carrying case. The cat was not included in the price, just so you know. All right. So, first thing, obviously this is going to be the drone body. Watch out, princess. Yeah, looks like we got a camera protector here. Remove that. Yeah, looks like. Okay, we got some replacement propeller blades. Right there. Oh. All right, and this is the controller. Oh, that comes with it. There we go. Very nice. And by the weight of this must be the batteries. Okay, yep. Comes with 3 batteries. We got the creator pack, which came with 3 batteries. There we go. And according to the lady that sold us this, 51 minutes of runtime. Okay, and these are all the cords and accessories for charging, it looks like. Quite a few. And then here is, I guess this is the main charging bank here. You plug this into the wall and then plug this into the batteries right there, and that's how you get your charge. All right. So that is everything, I think. But make sure. Oh, one more USB cord. And the handy dandy carrying case. So we're going to get this all set up, take it on a flight. Well, yeah, you want to go ahead and open that up? My helper Marie. Let's unfold that. Let's see what it,
They're rotating.
let's see what it looks like.
So this camera, there is 3 camera. They're rotating and you can do focus. If you're gonna focus with one picture, you can zoom in and you can take picture on the top.
You want to do it? Or you want me to do it?
No, you can do it.
All right, let's see here. There we go. Okay, so it's like that, like that, like that, like that. So there that is. Let's see. Battery is in.
You're gonna wait for it.
All right. And there you go. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. We'll get some drone videos in the future, hopefully. Thanks for watching.